Hey there, Power BI enthusiasts. Welcome back to IMBI. This is Jesse. Today, we got a power packed session lined up for you as we explore the incredible world of Power Query. If you're ready to take your Power BI skill to the next level, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll uncover 6 must-know tips in Power Query that will revolutionize the way you handle and transform your data in Power BI. Whether you are a seasoned analyst or just getting started, these tips are guaranteed to save you time, boost efficiency, and make your data workflow a breeze. So, buckle up and get ready to supercharge your Power BI game with these essential Power Query techniques. Without further ado, let's jump right in and discover the magic that Power Query has to offer. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to more content, and let's dive into the first tip.
Okay, so tip number 1, field function. We are now in the get data, then we'll select the sample, click transform data, so we are now in Power Query. So tip number 1, field function. So we'll click the column that you want to fill in. As you can see, there are null value. So we go to transform, then fill down. So same goes with the other columns. That's for tip number 1. Tip number 2, filter column. So if you want to remove the column that you will not use in the dashboard, so you just have to drill down and unselect the items that you want to remove. Tip number 3, split column. So if you want to split a specific column, so you just have to click the split column delimiters. If you have the hyphen as your indicator, then press OK. There you have it. Tip number 4, remove column. So as you can see, there's a redundant of column. So you want to avoid or remove a certain column to save space. Now we're changing the column name. This is item description. Now tip number 6, the if-else function. So we will create another column. We'll name it greater than 100. So the formula is if the revenue is greater than 100, then greater, else lesser. you have it. So hope you learn from this video. Thank you and good day.